G'day tradies, my name's Jamie. Welcome to another What Tradies Want Tradie Tough Test. And today we've got a bit of a treat for you. We got not one but two brand new distance measurers from Bosch, and I'm talking about their 50-meter green beam lasers. We got the GLM 5023G and the GLM 5027CG. Now look, both of these measurers have had some significant upgrades from the previous models. You can feel it straight away. Structurally, it's a lot more rigid, built to be robust and tough on work sites. We've got a great little rubber coating which protects the unit. The screen's much brighter and it's also a little bit recessed down in there as well, which means if we are dropping them, it's going to be IP65 rated, which means from 1.5 meters, she's all good, in dust, in water. These things are going to be more than capable of putting up with the toughest work sites. So look, there's some really cool features on board. These things are going to save you a pile of time. Let's delve in right now, because if you're like me, you love a gadget, so let's check them out right now. So the two new features include continuous measurement modes, including tape measure and big numbers, and the help step-by-step functionality walkthroughs. Alrighty, so both of these lasers are sporting Bosch Blue's green beam laser technology, and this is the very first time that Bosch Professional have included that technology in a distance laser measurer, and you can see it's so easy to read, and look, a great addition to these units. And of course, it's making it a lot more visible to see the laser, to see the beam in bright conditions. You might be working outdoors, or you might even be indoors, but in a really bright room like a bathroom, something similar like that. And another feature that you're going to love is, like their predecessors, these both super accurate. The Bosch Measure Up app has been upgraded fairly recently this year, as of 2021. So the interface is really cool, and there's a pile of other things that we can do. So let's check out the Bluetooth connectivity in a bit more detail right now. So now's the perfect time to talk to you about just how awesomely well the GLM 5027CG works with the Bluetooth technology set up to the Measure Up app on your mobile phone or your PC for that matter. But look, it is so awesome to be able to just press the button, the numbers get zapped straight over to the app. You can save all of your details in there. You can create rooms, you can create floor plans, you can add in windows and doors. So I've just actually gone through the process of doing that in my dining room at home. So you can see here, and I'll actually show some action shots to take you through the process as well. But you can see here we've added in the room. You can add in notes, you can add in a photograph of the actual room, but you can literally just go around one room or one wall at a time, take the measurements that get zapped straight over here. You can add in doors, you can add in windows, you can adjust those sizes on the fly, and you can literally save all of these rooms into a larger project, which just means when you're working on the fly, there's literally no need to even have a pen or paper at all. It's all done through the Bluetooth connectivity, making it extremely effortless. And if you're doing anything from taking area measurements, volume measurements, you can be doing on the fly measurements with continuous measurements. It's got a vibration feature in there. It's got a voice feature in there where it can actually read the measurement back to you. There's just so much going on in this awesome little package, as well as the fact that you can literally use it as a level as well. You can measure on its side, you can measure vertically. So if you want to do quick checks of studs, if you want to do quick checks of, say, window frames or plates or anything like that, effortless. I can't even begin to tell you how awesome this little thing is. But why don't we do this? I've just caught up with Jack from Woodley Projects. Jack's been using this for a couple of days now. He actually owned the previous model himself, but look, he's really enjoyed just how easy to use and some of the more advanced features that are on board with this one. So let's have a chat with Jack right now.
Hi, I'm Jack. I work for Woodley Projects. Been a chippy for probably 9 years now. I've been given this laser to, run tests on, and it's amazing. It's the durability and the rigidity of the new design is definitely one that beats the old laser. Rubber coating for drops will protect it very well, and it's the IP65 will protect it if you are, like me, are clumsy and can drop something in water. Another feature that I really like about this is the green laser in comparison to the old one, which would have had the red laser. It's easier to see in the daylight. The brightness on the screen, in the sun, you can read the screen very easily. I've been playing around too with the new feature with the Bluetooth connectivity, just zapping measurements in the rooms, and it actually sends the measurements to your phone. It sketches the drawings, and it saves everything onto your phone rather than forgetting measurements and having to look back in your history on the old laser, which is a really cool new feature. Another really great feature is the leveling capabilities of this little laser. You can put it to the side of your straight edge, onto studs, onto your floor, and it gives you a digital level. I think that's a really cool, quick and efficient way of checking levels.
So tradies, there you have it. It's been great to put both of these two new laser distant measurers through their paces from Bosch. They're going to save you a pile of time on site, there's no doubt about it, as well as getting those beautiful, accurate measurements when you need them most. So guys and girls, make sure you check them out next time you're in store. Till next time, stay really safe on site out there. Take fantastic care of each other. My name's Jamie. We'll catch you really soon.